So I'm setting up this light with the app, and it found the light here. We'll add it, and now the app is continuing to set up. We can go there and we can change the color temperature of the light there. We can change its brightness here. Looks like we have some presets. That's pretty handy. We can go to HSI mode and change the saturation, change the color this easily. This is actually very simple to work with. We can use it as a flash. We can have party, we can have lightning effects. We can have a bulb that's flickering. We can have a television, candlelight, firelight, fireworks going on in the background, a police car. So if we need special effects for our content, we got red flashing, blue flashing, a lot of fun. You can adjust the brightness on all of this. So this is a really interesting light, easy to use with the app. Hope this helps.